Hi, I'm Phil from Driftworks and this is my 964 Turbo. I'm here today at Alpha Performance Fabrication. The guys here, Michael and Dean, are already getting stuck in. So, what do you reckon to my don't look too close?
We already have.
No, Craig's done a fantastic job considering what it is, the cast element and how old it is, 30-year-old. I was really happy with how it's gone. The inside of it, the flow is absolutely perfect. So, very, very happy with that. And now onto your bit, you're going to create a fantastically huge intercooler for us.
That's right behind you, look. Yeah, that's where the core
we need some frame of reference here. That's my massive iPhone. That is quite a big core. You measured it up and you were like, yeah, that's the numbers. When you actually saw it, were you a little scared?
Yes.
That is huge. And yeah, tell us a bit about the core, because it's quite special, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's what we call our ITEC core, which stands for Internally Turbulated Efficiency Core. Incredibly efficient, but the most impressive part about them is the recovery rates.
Yeah.
It recovers incredibly quickly.
Which is probably quite useful on an air-cooled...
On an air-cooled vehicle, absolutely.
Where the intercooler sits above all the heat source.
You'll certainly feel the benefits of that.
Excellent.
On track.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, like we said, the other one, it's quite nicely made for what it is and when it was made and where it was made, but this is kind of next level, isn't it? This is top intercooler.
Yeah, like when I came to see you, it was obvious that core technology is quite dated now.
Yeah.
And the core technology is constantly evolving. Every 6 to 12 months something new comes along, whether it's regarding water cores, oil cores, or normally the intercooler cores are what's developed the heaviest, really. Yeah.
Fantastic. So yeah, I'm now leaving it with you for a week or so, but if you don't mind throwing a bit of iPhone in the direction of what you're doing from time to time, that'd be excellent. Thank you very much, guys.
No worries. The road drum. Yeah. Of that side, I know, yeah. It just didn't, yeah. But no, that'll be fine. Yeah, absolutely fine. Yeah.
Drop it down at the back.
Yeah.
That is humongous. That's absolutely awesome.
By the time that stud's out of the way, we'll drop it down another 2 inches. That gives us plenty of room above. We'll relocate them bosses.
I'm glad I kept the throttle body angle the same.
Yes.
I was thinking about just pointing it up.
We just discussed that actually. Is how did you come to that angle?
Standard. So I've just measured it on an angle gauge and just decided it's 30 degrees. So it's going to be 30 degrees just to make sure it doesn't get in the way of what you guys are doing.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Okay.
Superb.
Yeah, you got that. Cool. Awesome.
Skip forward a couple of weeks and I'm just about to roll up on Alpha Performance Fab again. I'm super excited to see what the guys have done. They've been very secretive. They sound excited and they've shown me a few really sneaky little bits of detail, but yeah, I can only imagine how good it's going to look. But yeah, we're here now, so let's find out. Right, I'm told that we need the genuine first viewing on camera. You're that confident in the work?
Oh, 100%. Yeah, I know who did it.
Of course he is.
Yeah.
That man over there who's hiding, shall I zoom in? Yeah, he's not a big fan of cameras, but apparently a wonderful fabricator. So yeah, I guess let's just have a look. Check it out. that's something,
Large.
isn't it?
Yeah,
Oh my
absolutely,
God, that looks absolutely fantastic.
So we've given you two options with regards to the mounting plate.
Yeah.
You've got a 3mm stainless one there.
Yeah.
If you fancy it. We've got a 6mm alley for you as well.
Oh,
yeah.
Absolutely incredible. Is that just a laser cut?
Yes.
Stamped?
Yep, that's it, drawn up on SolidWorks in-house
fantastic.
and laser cut. Yeah.
All in the
All
details.
good stuff, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely right.
And the lovely spot of purple, which I was fully expecting, but my God, that just looks absolutely incredible.
Yeah, the Adele Wiggins are just, it's a no-brainer for reliability.
Yeah.
Especially when you're going to be running high boost and things like that.
Yeah.
You want to avoid the silicone hoses, really.
Oh,
especially on something like this, it's just a nice touch to go Adele Wiggins.
Yeah. One of the secret pictures that you did send me, because I was explaining to people, you didn't give me much detail. I could let that excitement build, but one of the pictures I did see was Wiggins actually on the compressor housing as well.
Correct.
So you've had to remove the compressor housing without removing the bumper.
Absolutely.
Absolutely amazing.
Skills.
Absolutely.
Well, Dean skills.
Yeah. Oh, mate, that looks absolutely incredible. It's absolutely huge.
So a lot of time was spent in the design and manufacture of the end tanks.
Yeah.
Just for a nice flowing, clean effect. So basically, this has all been built by hand.
Yeah.
Welded inside and out and dressed off and DA'd up. So real particular clean finish.
Setting the tone as well for the rest of it. I mean, to be fair, the car visually is it's a very visual car anyway.
It's
but
absolutely. But this is obviously going to be a centerpiece for you now, isn't it? You know, it's the first thing you see when you open up.
Yeah. Let me just have a look down through here as well, because I won't latch it. Oh, that's absolutely brilliant. That's exactly what I was hoping for.
Yeah.
Really close.
Clearances are obviously. We wanted to maximise the space, but
at
the same time make sure we're good on clearance. So.
Yeah. So I think there's, kind of sealing this to the upper deck lid in a fashion is the done thing.
Yeah.
But oh mate, I love it. You can just see little detail poking through there.
Absolutely.
I can't thank you enough for this. Honestly, that is way above what I expected.
Like I said, Dean done the job. He's done an amazing job as always. So I'm very lucky.
Huge thank you to Dean, the camera shy.
I've got a great team of people here. So.
Amazing. Yeah, if you don't check out Alpha Performance Fab already on Instagram, I suggest you do. They do some incredible stuff. One of the things I saw recently, you can see over there, is a large batch of F40 fuel tanks.
40 tanks, yeah. I think we're the only people in the UK that make them.
Yeah.
And very few worldwide.
Yeah.
But I think we've manufactured, Dan normally makes them, and I think we've done 20 sets in the last 18 months.
My God.
Yeah.
So yes, the car is in good company, obviously. There's lots of exciting stuff going on, some of which I won't be able to show you. But so what sort of other stuff do you do? Like obviously things like that. I've seen radiators.
Yeah, cooling systems is a big chunk of what we do.
Yeah.
Exhaust systems. Again, we work with technical genius basically for working out header lengths and things like that. Especially in the historic scene when we're looking for the marginal gains. Yeah. Especially anything motorsport related, they're always after.
Yeah, the tiny bit.
Yeah, the last little bit. So we do a lot of historic motorsport work with regards to cooling and exhaust systems, even suspension components. Yeah. Just reverse engineer them because obviously with these historic vehicles, they're not available anymore. Yeah. The parts are not available. So it's a case of jigging and remanufacturing.
So it's super cool, and as I say, I'm getting distracted by my own car time and time again. I just want to look at more details again.
It's been a while since you've seen it.
It's been 2 weeks. You'd think I could manage 2 weeks, wouldn't you? But no, when something like this is going on, and I get really excited about fabrication at a much lower level of quality, obviously, when I'm doing it myself. But yeah, that is just absolutely phenomenal. And, can't thank you enough. Really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, please do check them out on Instagram, Facebook, website, all the stuff.
Instagram.
Yeah, lovely. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.